Hi, everyone. Today, we're talking about carrots. These tasty veggies come in orange, purple, red, or yellow. I'll be up front. At first, I struggled with growing carrots. It took a few tries to get it right. But in this video, you'll learn everything you need to grow delicious, juicy carrots. Choosing your carrot variety. Carrots come in many types. You have the classic long orange ones. Then, there are shorter varieties like Tonda de Perigee for containers. Want something different? Try a rainbow mix or cosmic purple. You can plant all these varieties together. Just pick the ones you like. Planting, from seed to soil. Planting carrots directly in the ground can be tough. But it's also exciting. These tips work for containers and raised beds too. Carrots need loose, well-aerated soil. If your soil is dense, loosen it with some sand and compost. Create a soft bed for the seeds. Now let's plant. Make shallow furrows, 1/4 inch deep. Here's a trick. Use the seed packet to guide you. This helps with even spacing, saving time. Don't worry about perfect spacing. Cover the seeds lightly, 1/2 inch deep. Water well. Germination takes 10 to 15 days. Cover the area with a board to keep the soil moist. Be patient. Thinning the ranks, making space for champions. When your carrots sprout and their tops hit 1 to 3 inches, it's time to thin them. This step is vital for top-quality carrots. Thinning means removing weaker seedlings. This allows the stronger ones to grow big and healthy. It's like giving your carrots a personal spa. They get more space to thrive and grow. Spacing is crucial. Ideally, leave 1-2 inches between each carrot. Thinning can be done in 2 ways. First, gently pull out weak seedlings, keeping only the strongest. This method allows you to check the roots and select the healthiest carrots. For young plants, trim the leaves of weaker ones at soil level. This keeps the remaining carrots' roots intact. Also, don't discard the thinned baby carrots. They are tasty and offer a preview of your future harvest. Carrot care, sunshine, water, and a bit of TLC. During the growing season, carrots need frequent watering. They dislike dry soil, so keep it moist but not soggy. A fun fact, they taste sweeter when harvested in cooler weather. Thus, in areas with mild winters, plant them in late winter/spring or late summer/fall. Your taste buds will appreciate it. Carrot Clinic, diagnosing common problems. Poor germination. This issue often arises when the soil isn't consistently moist. Remember the board trick we discussed earlier? Use it to keep the soil damp as your seeds sprout. Tiny, thin roots. This shows you haven't thinned enough. So, go back and space out your strong carrots. Woody and dry carrots. 2 things are likely to blame: waiting too long to harvest or not watering consistently. First, pick your carrots when they're ripe. Second, keep the soil evenly moist all season. Bolting, flowering. Carrots left in the ground too long start to flower. This signals their readiness to reproduce. So, it's best to harvest them before they flower. This ensures the carrots maintain their best taste and texture. Clustered roots. This shows too much nitrogen fertilizer is available. So, use less nitrogen when feeding your carrots. Short, fat roots. Unless a specific variety, this means your soil is compacted. So, before planting, make sure to loosen it. This step will allow taproots to grow freely. Small and stunted carrots. Heat, stress, or nutrient deficiency might harm your carrots. Make sure they get enough sunlight and water. Also, consider adding compost for extra nutrients. Hairy roots. This is a sign of a disease called aster yellows, spread by leafhoppers. Sadly, there's no cure. So, it's crucial to find ways to keep leafhoppers out of your garden. Thin and spindly carrots. These plants lacked resources during growth. Ensure your carrots get enough sunlight, water, and nutrients for best growth. The final harvest, your reward awaits. Harvesting your own vegetables is satisfying. When the carrots are ready, pull them out and admire your work. Get creative. Roast them, add to soups, or make carrot top pesto. Yes, the tops are edible. Wrapping up, you've got this. Growing carrots isn't easy, but knowing how and caring for them well can lead to success. Thinning and watering evenly are crucial. If you face setbacks, don't be discouraged. Gardening is about learning and trying new things. Above all, enjoy it. Liked the video? Then hit that thumbs up and subscribe for more gardening tips. Also, don't miss our potato growing guide. It's perfect for everyone, from beginners to pros. Happy gardening!